All right, here we are, another episode of As the Pump Turns. Okay, it went down a whole 20 cents. Woohoo! All right, today we're going to be doing a house wash to get the day started, a small porch, and then we're going to be doing a mobile home after that, and then we're going to go back to the bank in between, try to get this pole paid for by doing a bank transfer. Now we got everything straightened out. It doesn't seem so fraudulent anymore. It seems legit. The company's legit. Streamline is a good company. All right, we'll be back and we'll see you at the job. Let's get after it. Here we are. This is job number one. Finally moving the car out of the way. That's a plus. Had to wait for the young lady to get ready to get out of here. So sometimes you gotta wait, you know? All right, here we go. Let's take a review. We got black mold, black algae all in the walkway here, down the driveway. The young man wants this cleaned up right here as well. We'll have a better look at the driveway. We'll let them get out of here. Now the soffit and fascia is dirty. They want me to hit this wall a little bit too. We'll see how it comes out. Just going to put some downstream on it and see how it works. But all this is all dingy all the way down, as you can see. All right, let's get after it. And the job layout's going to be from right there. We're going to SH all the way around like we did yesterday. Get the driveway SH, go all the way around the other way to that corner, rinse it all the way back, get the driveway done, and we'll be done. All right, let's get after it. Let's have a quick look. As you can see, the soffits are getting a lot cleaner, way cleaner than they were. The screens are getting clean. This is all being SH'd out. The floor is going to be clean. We're just going to let that dwell. We got the walls sprayed along here. We'll go ahead and pressure wash this all off on the way back. Right now we need to get out front, go around the other way, do across the front, get the driveway SH'd, go down that side to the corner, rinse our way all the way back, and then we'll go ahead and get this thing wiped out over here. And this job's gonna go quick. I'm moving fast because I want to get to the bank. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a look. Everything's getting nice and bright and white. Everything's SH all the way around. Driveway's been done with what now?
Sticky icky, that's what.
All the soffits are clean. Fascia. Look at that. Drip edge needs to just be blown off. Got it done all the way down to there. Okay, now we're going to rinse from there all the way back around to that corner. Then we're going to get this driveway down. We're going to let this sit out here. You can see the colors trying to change back to normal. downstream, and I got 1.2%, so works pretty good. Okay, when I come back around, you know what we're gonna be doing, right? The satisfying runs. Woo-hoo. Let's take a quick look at this driveway and sidewalks. Look at that. Sidewalks look beautiful. They've been pre-treated, post-treated. Mini mon, dude. Then the gentleman's little paver blocks over here. They came out really nice. They look new again. Everything came out good. Now we just got to rinse down the side of the house, cross the back, get inside that porch. We'll be done. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. The back of the house is all rinsed off. Come in there and look around. Looks good. I don't want to get it muddy. Everything came out nice. Now all we got to do, hey, look at that. There's the rig right there. Hey, all my hoses are right here. Huh, I wonder how that happened. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so. Job layout, very important. All right, let's get after it. Hey, anybody up for a ride to the bank? Let's go! All right, here we are at the second job. Let's check it out. Let's get a little dingy up there. Got a bee's nest up here in the top. Just need to get it all rinsed off. This front is never too bad. It gets worse as you go back this way. There's more bees up there. The bees are going to get knocked down to their knees. Bees don't like me. I'm going to come around the back here. This is the north side. This is where the mold's going to be. There's not too much of it. Just have a lot along this air conditioner stand. It's a little dingy up that way. And get this stuff cleared off. Just knock the old dust out of it and hit these screens. Then we got mold up here. Then we got these rugs that are going to be cleaned up for the customer, make the young lady happy. We have all this stuff along here, just dingy. All right, we're going to start the job the back corner of the place. We're gonna SH all the way around to that corner, and then we're gonna rinse it all the way back, reel it back. All right, let's get after it. Sorry for the long delay there. I was getting after it. Let's get after it. Let's check it out. Everything's all brightened up a little bit. I've already worked my way all the way out front, and I got to come down this side. And we'll rinse all this stuff off. And it's going to be satisfying. Right now we're going to SH this side down. And then we're going to rinse. We'll start rinsing all the way back around to here. All right. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. It's all SH'd everywhere. That's all looking good up there. Look at that piece of mold hanging on the end. We'll get that. Everything looks good. All these were green. Everything's looking nice and clean. All right, now we're going to rinse our way back down here, down this side, and then back across the front, and then down the other side, and then around the back. Clean up those blocks on the air conditioner. Then we'll go ahead and blow off the driveway. Clean up those little pavers on the side as best we can. Then we'll be out of here. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a look at that. Turbo chipped all this out. All the weeds are gone out of the cracks. Things looking good. Got to rinse down the rest of the porch there and around the back. We're done with this popsicle stand. Let's get after it. All right, that's going to be a wrap. You see that thing over there? It looks clean from here, right? You don't need to go over there and look at it, do you? Everything came out nice. We'll be right back for a quick review. Then we're going to reel everything in, and we're going to go home and try to straighten out this power pole purchase. All right, let's get after it. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Can't we put a 4.3 on 5 and just run it like 5? Yeah, that's okay.
for the same one.
And then the other one is a 5 at 2,500. That's the one that you need to take to your casa. That's like my cat.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, I want like an 8-gallon minute at my house, so I can be bigger than you.
Well, you might want to get some more power, dog.
Get a substation put in.
Yeah.
So now, Don, it wasn't your valves bad, it was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically we should use these valves probably. Or we could.
No.
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 We should keep them in for backup.
Time
They're
is
not
money.
bad.
No. Throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-some an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road, you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on $1 to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change his though.
Stepping on $1 to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll be in trouble on YouTube.
Got to put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not
Sorry, everyone. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's gonna be awesome. What's the kind of welcome you get? What's the kind of welcome we get here? What in the hell, you crazy bastards? What is it that we do? What is it that we do around here?
I don't.
Depends on if you're the boss or if you're a worker.
What happened?
He might have got a little excited.
It looks like an elephant was here.
Yeah.
Getting after it. What do we do at Super Blast, everybody?
Get after it.
Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it.